You guys know I've been married for 6 months, 7 months.
Yep.
Sai has been married for 6 months. That's something we both have in common.
F in chat.
F in chat. Sorry, what?
I said
what
F,
is-
F in chat.
What does that mean?
What
F is a sign of respect for the dead.
Oh.
Yeah, you pay
Oh.
respects. You type
pay
F to pay the respects.
F in chat.
I am just going to
Not to each
I'm
other.
going to interject by saying Shadi OP if you support
Friends.
such
Oh my
effort
God. What?
for this t-shirt.
What? This is just wild. Stop touching it.
Green t-shirt. Did you wear a green t-shirt for this?
Wow. Ronak's mouth is on your nipples.
Okay, God, so let's not get distracted. Okay, move on.
Try not.
Let's not get distracted. You started this, bro. You. Okay.
Okay, cool.
All right. Okay, so here's the thing. Okay, we live by ourselves now, and we've never done that. Okay, so I've always had my parents living with me, and yesterday, because we live on a lower floor, a crow flew into our room. Okay, in the hall, and she immediately took both our dogs and ran away to the other room, and like expected me to deal with this because I'm supposed to be the man of the house. But I was like, I thought we're a gender neutral house. I didn't want to fucking deal with the
Correct.
crow. I got scared of the crow also, but also I wanted to show that I am a man enough person. So I just stayed there and screamed at the crow, and the crow got scared and ran off from the other window.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you know when I think of a man, I think of a grown-ass adult grappling with a crow at the balcony. You know what I'm saying? Like that's fighting a crow off is truly a masculine.
manly.
Like if my dad was there, like if I lived with my dad, I would tell my dad, you deal with it, and I would bounce. But now
True.
I was like, this is my problem now suddenly, and I didn't want to deal with this.
Ronak, you have to look at it in perspective. Maybe outside there was a female crow who sent the male crow inside your house.
Oh wow. Excuse me, Sahil and Tanmay, are you two crow fighters yourself?
You have two dogs.
He has
Yes,
two
we got
tiny
two
dogs that crows
Yeah.
can attack. I can tell. They are very tiny and crows can fly away with those dogs.
Crows.
I don't think we should talk that way about my poor dog.
About your little dog.
Did you gift your wife the dogs?
No, man, we adopted them like 2-3 years ago, and they stayed in her house until we got married, and now they stay with us.
Nice.
Oh, so sweet.
What are their names?
Chico and Pepe, they're two Shih Tzus. Dude, my dogs didn't even bark. My dogs also assumed it's my responsibility and ran with her.
Oh my god.
If you ever want to be
yeah.
a man, the question to ask yourself is, what would Dan Bilzerian do? Right? Because he's like the max man.
Dan Bilzerian would not get married.
First that. F in
Or
chat
get a
again.
Shih Tzu.
Or get a Shih Tzu.
Pets.
I think Dan Bilzerian would just fuck in front of the crow.
Yeah.
He'd have an orgy in front of the crow to dominate the crow psychologically, maybe.
Gal, what is it? What's it like with your dog? Did you?
I basically
No,
me,
talk about anyway. Go on.
I know what was happening. I was waiting for that, but
What breed is he?
stray.
Oh, he's an Indie. Indies are not scared
Yeah.
of crows. That's a good thing.
No, they are. He was attacked by a crow and his one eye had. Sad story.
Oh my god, how do you all
Yeah,
have
yeah.
stories about crows attacking dogs? That's
True story.
And by the way, none of us are in Game of Thrones. Yet these stories.
yeah.
Yeah.
These ravens. Tanmay, I'm feeling super left out with these dog owners and their stories.
Yeah, it's not.
I also want a puppy.
They're not just dog owners, but they're dog owners who are dominated by crows. Like, what a
Yeah.
bizarre thing. to think about. Crows are roasting the fuck out of you. Crows are just coming, then just leaving your house. What a bizarre way to live.
This has really changed my perception about dog owners. Because every time I used to go for a walk, I'd be like, wow, look at their calf muscles. They're getting a lot of walking done.
Yeah, no, our calf muscles are strong because we run away from crows. It's very important.
Surbi, how single are you that you're checking out dogs' calf muscles?
Oh my god, not the dog's calf muscle, the dog owners. I have a question for you to dog owners. If I say hi to your dog, but the dog can't say it back, don't you think dog owners should say hi back? There should be some kind of no?
Surbi, just gather the confidence to say hi to the owner.
No,
Yeah.
I want to say hi to the dog,
100%.
and the dog can't say hi back, so you say hi to me.
I just imagine Surbi standing outside Joggers Park every day saying, आज तो 3 नंबर आएंगे यहाँ पे कुत्तों के साथ. आज तो ढेर सारा compliment लेके आई हूँ मैं.
I need to figure out why do I find dog owners so hot by the end of this session. I need to figure it out because I do. I have followed some dog owners. I'm just like, I don't know, out of like...
And they
Daddy,
see
it's
you as
called
a
daddy
crow.
issues.
Yeah, I was just
Shut
gonna
up.
say
Really?
that.
Is it? But they have a dog.
Yeah, they appreciate unconditional love, Surbi.
That's not dad's. I'm sorry. That doesn't...
Exactly, daddy issues. Why wouldn't you love me despite all the love I had for you?
Well,
But I
This is not
feel you.
new,
I feel you. I got severe daddy issues. I feel you.
Okay, yeah, but currently I'm single, or as, or as some people call it, Atmanirbhar.
Atmanirbhar.
Oh, that was such a great moment, you know. It was like a gentle pause for all of us to reflect on our upbringing, and you're like, yeah, fuck it, I'm single. Let's move on.
single guys. Let's just move on from that.
दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे
I remember when I wasn't single, I used to be on dating apps, and I used to actually be on dating apps only so that I could take screenshots of some of the profiles. Because just, man,
You use it for content. Oh, this is
Oh,
like they
it's-
hate comedians.
This is
साहिल
why nobody is
honestly
going to
मैच
date
और हर
comedians.
तीसरे मैच के साथ मेरे को पहला मैसेज आता है. Are you just here for content? अरे मैं साहिल बुल्ला नहीं हूँ यार.
yeah, but I have screenshots of a lot of things. Yeah, this was one
Dude,
where
Okay.
she's pregnant and he's saying,
And there's a dog.
and dog, Surbi, check out the calves of the dog.
Oh my god, he's so good looking.
Dude, that baby bump is going to be a crow after 9 months.
Dude, like initial days of like Tindering, I matched with Aishwarya Rai to Katrina Kaif to Kriti Sanon. I matched with 3. Kriti Sanon has made so many accounts, dude. I'm like, you're a movie star.
Did you ask them? Did you ask them if they want to do a second roast?
No, unlike Sahil, I'm not there to hunt for content. For that, I have other comedians who give me all the supply.
Like I'm on all the apps. I'm on like Bumble, Hinge, and
Happen? Are you on
Tinder.
Happen?
I'm not on Happen.
Right now,
not
Happen must be dead, right? Like it only matches
Yes, because
you.
it's about meeting. It's about GPS. It's like when you're
Yeah.
close to each other.
It's the passing by wala app, right?
Yeah, but have you guys used an app that's not meant for dating, but as a dating app, like Instagram?
Oh, yeah.
Instagram.
How does that
LinkedIn.
work? Do you?
People message you on Instagram, then you chat with them, and then afterwards you're like, hey, Instagram chat is boring. Let's move to
Let's
WhatsApp.
move to WhatsApp.
What is Instagram chat is boring? What is boring about Instagram chat? No, you are boring, Bencho. Not Instagram. Since me and Surbi are still on dating apps.
Yeah, and forever will be looking at the
Sam.
economy of this country.
From Bumble, if you're on Bumble to move to Instagram, the excuse always is, hey, I keep the notifications off on Bumble. I'm not here a lot.
Right. Bumble has this
And
very
then-
cool option where like you can meet people for like networking purposes, which will also end up in sleeping with each other. But like it has a professional
Oh,
start.
really? Bumblebees, I was there for 3 minutes where 800 men descended upon me. Like, bye, big fan. Bye, big fan. Bye. I was like, oh shit. The most professional looking man will open with bye, big fan. I'm like, okay.
Oh my god.
The problem
But
with
I-
Instagram is how do you ghost them? Because they can always see that you've seen the messages.
You can block the number, right?
Yeah, there's a restrict option where the person can't see whether you're online or you've seen their messages. There's a
No, but
brand new
restrict
feature
means
that's
they've gone into your others folder. Restrict feels like the court got involved and
Yeah.
they are now by law prohibited from texting you. I don't know. It feels like that.
I think I found the most success on Hinge. Hinge has been a good app, like in terms of at least like your messages turn into a date. Like otherwise, all
Guys,
these other apps, I'm just texting. I'm not actually meeting people.
Let me give you some good advice, guys. I'll tell you where I met my wife
What
in
is it?
college. You should go to
Yeah.
college.
Dude,
College.
college, just the UI is so buggy.
Yeah, it's just, I tried, man. I right swipe too many times, and they're like, "Stop touching my face," and I'm like, "Okay, sorry."
It's just really lame. Everybody's bio says present, ma'am. It's really
Dude, I didn't have to pay too much because I had Sindhi quota, but it was really easy for me.
man. Can you believe if Bumble had Sindhi quota? That would be so Bumble Jamwani.
That's
My girlfriend and I haven't told our parents about us because we're from different religions. On our first anniversary, I bought her an expensive pair of earrings. She said she can't take it home because her parents would suspect, and I told her that I can't take it home either because my parents will suspect, so you do whatever you want with it. Next day, she sold it to her friend. In an irrational bout of anger, I told her that she should share the profit with me. Am I justified?
I have a question. Okay, I have a question. Which one of them do you think was Hindu and which one of them do you think was Muslim? Do you think the
Yeah, 'cause
extreme
it's-
businesswoman was Hindu or Muslim?
But on their first anniversary, how expensive could it be? I think Chatmola se nikle ye earrings aur usne de diye.
Chatmola is what?
What is Chatmola?
You guys don't know what Chatmola is? Oh my god!
No.
He's like,
Chatmola is like a little toffee you
You-
eat, और उसके अंदर से you would get like cool jewelry.
That's Hajmo. Oh, you get.
Yeah.
why is the
Oh.
jewelry in that is
Like-
a joking hazard.
Okay, let's get back to the problem.
Let's
Since
back
we
to
are,
the
since we
question.
don't
Okay.
want to discuss the
Let's
religion
get
of the businesswoman or the bad investment dude.
Yeah, I prefer not to. Thank you very
I
much.
don't, yeah, expensive gifts don't make good gifts. All right,
Yeah.
it's thoughtfulness. You know what the best gift is? Sit and fucking
Thought.
meditate for an hour every day. Understand who you are and what your issues are. That's the best gift, right, Surbi? Right? Right?
Sure,
Yeah, I thought you-
100%.
I thought you stream for an hour every day. You also meditate.
I don't
That's also
meditate
meditation.
because I am single.
Tanmay, that's the best stream ever. 1 hour meditation stream. Where you're just eyes shut, not even talking.
What about Carrie Marathi, Tanmay both just meditating for 1 hour?
Doing alone vilom but cussing the shit out.
See, like these are gifts. Like if you were to give, like, see this now, see this. This is a pencil sharpener in the form of a nose, right?
Oh,
If
that's
you're-
sick.
Yeah,
Very
if you're
thoughtful.
dating-
This
if you're
is
dating-
this is what your chest looked like in the start of the show.
Hilarious.
Hi, I'm Ronak, everybody. Give shit like this. Be innovative. Tanman's right. Don't give boring gifts. Think smart. Be and listen.
At
to
least, you know,
someone.
there's thoughtfulness to it. Like that
Yeah.
gift screams, you know, Sahil's wife all over it. Like only Sahil's wife would get something like that. Like, oh, honey, here's a 4-year-old booger. So I'll be like, oh my God.
So sweet.
Amazing. I can make 8 puns with this.
That's
And
really
also,
sweet.
if you take home like a nose sharpener, then your parents won't think it's a romantic gift at all. No
They
one
will be
is-
worried about you though. They will still be worried about you. Be like, well, that's worrisome.
So the core crux of this is that you have to give a gift that is thoughtful yet unromantic, right? That is the best way to
so no
avoid
one
parental
suspects it.
suspicion.
Yeah.
One time, my ex-boyfriend gave me a huge fucking teddy bear, a human-sized teddy bear, and I couldn't take it home. So I had to give it to a friend of mine, and it's still with me.
That's a dumb
And-
gift. Why would
Yeah.
he give you that?
I mean, imagine coming home with a giant teddy bear and your mom's like, Apeti, and you're like,
Oh, this is class assignment. I'm supposed to hug it and feel.
चटमोला के पैकेट से निकला.
Surprise! Of course, a girl would like a teddy bear and like a huge greeting card with the photos. I did like the greeting card because it has really good photos of me from Facebook.
Photos
think-
of you. You like that he put your own photos. Photos that are digitally available.
Yeah, and also it is photos that she uploaded, because it would be very weird if he's taken photos without her knowing.
Just creepily in the corner, like उस दिन आप परवल खरीद रही थी दुकान में. आपका photo.
What if the teddy bear was meant to be opened up and it had all the thoughtful gifts, but you never opened it in 5 years?
Oh my god!
How is he
think
supposed to
so.
find it?
Open
Like
it.
stab the teddy bear and open it.
Yeah. Yeah, he was supposed to call you and piss you off, then you were supposed to punch the teddy bear, and all the photos of you would come out, and you'd be like, "What a sweet guy."
I
What
don't
you
know what
forgetting
the
is-
fuck you and Henna gift each other that requires
Yeah.
surprise behavior with gifts
Appearance
that
exact.
requires it to reveal its true self.
What if you open your dog and there's a crow
I
inside?
swear, yeah, I'm telling you, this is just. I thought the same thing.
Hey,
Like,
let's
and I was
talk
like-
about the Hindu-Muslim thing again. I don't want to talk about my dogs. Okay.
Like I
Yeah.
remember one ex bought me something. She bought me a shirt and she constantly wanted to see me in that shirt. And I'm like, can you relax? I wear
That's
it once a
true.
month and that's good enough. Like महीने में एक बार पहनता है ना मैं ये shirt है uniform नहीं है बेंचो मैं रोज पहन के नहीं
But dude, I'm like that. I got Henna a pair of pants that she would never wear. But I would just like every 2 weeks I would be like, so you don't end up wearing those pants?
If you buy gifts that you will very obviously see on that other person, right? Then that's always a bad thing. Like why buy her tampons? You will never know if she's wearing them or no.
Yeah.
Don't be like, hey,
Unless
दिखा आज पहना है कि नहीं?
unless she hung them like earrings, you know. Have you guys done that? Have you given gifts of excess to someone else you're dating?
No, but like the joy of like having your ex's gifts and like throwing them, isn't that amazing to be like, oh, this t-shirt, ye to kachre mein jayegi. That is really joyous.
This whole like
I really
hating your
like
exes shit is just pop culturally fueled all the time. I
Yeah.
know it's fun to hate them. It's really
No, it's not fun. Sometimes the exes are awful. And like I call this ex an ex, but he was just a bad phase.
I think the lesson here to learn is give indestructible gifts.
Yes.
That's
so you
true.
can always haunt.
Right.
Give me a missile. Give me like a whole like a nuclear power plant.
You
I
should
would
buy
appreciate
land
that.
in Kamshet and be like, this land is yours. This land. So your parents can't see it, you can't destruct it, and no one else can see it, so I can't ask if you're using it.
Just
And
Google pay me money.
Google pay me.
Best. Can I recommend the best gift? Make an investment on their behalf into a mutual fund. Okay? In case the relationship
Wow.
goes to shit in the future, that gift just became better on its own. It just keeps growing year on year.
Dad, can you elaborate a little more on
Wait. Tanmay, are you saying you buy it in your own name or you buy it in their name?
Okay, you can gift a mutual fund, right? You can buy it in their name. So you
I think you should buy a gift for them in your name. So if they stay, they can cash it in a few years. But if they don't, it's yours.
That's actually a fantastic idea. I'm on
Nice.
board with that. It is such
that's
a
okay,
good
pretty.
gift. It becomes better every single day. What an amazing! Can you imagine that teddy bear? It fucking autumn. Next year you wake up, it has a suit on. No, it's gonna remain fucking sad and it's gonna be smelly and gross.
unless you
eventually.
cut it and put money in it and then the
Yeah.
teddy bear is your mutual fund.
Hey, but to be fair,
Yeah, you
to
call
be
it
fair,
Parag
she-
Parikh. No, never mind. This is too specific a joke. Meet my teddy bears, Parag and Parikh. No? Anyone gets that joke? Never mind.
What is the show? I don't get it.
There is a very popular AMC, which is an asset management company called Parag Parikh.
All right. So, I think
If someone has sent a link to
yours.
Parag Parikh if anyone wants to see on chat. He's like, what have I walked into? This man wants to be friends with his ex and send me mutual fund.
You know what I find so funny about this website is that the link literally is called PP Fast, and I'm laughing at that only.
PP fast. That's beautiful.
It's a great pickup line. Hey, you want to see my PP fast?
Google pay me.
My boyfriend and I are 20-year-old students. We had a pregnancy scare and I decided to keep it. We had a disagreement and we decided to break up. What? He lives with his parents and I live with my roommates. I met the gynac and found out that I have a hormonal issue and I'm not pregnant. I didn't tell him this is because I was hurt when he walked out. Next morning, him and his family cut their trip short and surprised me at my apartment. It seems he's confessed the situation to them and they have decided to give me unconditional support. I don't have the guts to tell them I'm not pregnant. Oh my
Ancho,
God.
you have to tell them you're not pregnant. In 9 months, they'll find out.
This is such a problem. This is such a problem. Oh no, I'm just so stressed out by this.
Okay, fine.
What if a
Deal with
baby's a
it.
crow? What if a baby's a crow? I don't want it.
This family does not understand hormones. They don't understand periods. They don't understand pregnancies. They don't understand vacations. They don't understand unconditional support. They don't understand teen pregnancy. What the fuck is going on in this question?
You need to understand that he walked out on her, and we need to reach the same level of toxicity that he had, because that's what makes a relationship equal. You should be like, मैंने तुम्हारा टेडी बेयर मेरे दोस्त को दे दिया.
Yeah.
मैंने तेरा बच्चा दोस्त को दे दिया.
That's
मैंने आपकी औलाद आगे पास कर दी है.
Yeah.
Solved.
I sold my ovaries to Parag Parikh.
Oh my god, not one more mutual fund reference on this, please. But it's also the fucking guy's fault for not fucking like just how did he break up right after the pregnancy scare? Like now I can't do this.
There's no
Pregnancy scare is what? Like,
Now
Sahil,
being
have you ever had a pregnancy scare? I'm asking
Yes,
all
I
of
have.
you guys. I've never had that.
I've had a pregnancy scare. Sahil, but you
No,
go
I haven't.
first. Sahil, you
I've
tell
had
us first.
it's this conversation with like an ex once where either maybe the condom tour or whatever, oh no,
Yeah.
okay, I think and listen, hey, if by chance there is a situation like this, then I would like to keep it. And I'm like, whoa, okay then.
Yeah, but like your Instagram game for next 1 year is sorted.
Yeah, that is true. Great content.
What filter should I put on this ultrasound?
Valencia all the
I
time.
think actually 3 years. First year, pregnancy content. Second year, 1 year old baby content. Third year, I ran away content. That's 3 years of great content.
It's a very important discussion because you have to be on the same path, right? If someone is very pro-life and you're like, listen, just take a pill.
And what if you
I
give
don't
them a
know.
pill and they just sell it off for a profit, dude? That's also.
Fuck, shit.
Or worse, make earrings out of those. Imagine IPL earrings. Won't you like those? Just in case of emergency, pop one.
Okay, I have never been in a situation where I've had a pregnancy scare because I always get my period.
Nice.
That's funny.
I just want to know when it's negative on a pregnancy on a test. Negative means no baby or yes baby.
No baby. Negative means no baby, and positive means yes baby.
It's mainly delay in periods that cause the scare.
Well, I think the first approach in any of these pregnancy scares, but even Gynax suggests this, key the minute you have a pregnancy scare, just take a test and just get it out of the system.
The best way to deal with pregnancy scare is new phone.
We have the
Hoodis.
same body.
New phone, who this?
New phone Hoodis.
No,
notice?
you should be like, you should text us saying, hey, actually, I'm not very active on WhatsApp. Can you hit me up on Instagram? And then restrict.
And then restrict. That's funny. Is it like in the movies where you have pregnancy scare and for 1 second you're like,
Yeah, and I'm like, उस रात हमसे चूक हो गई.
no, but like you touch your belly and you're like, oh, I really want it.
I don't think so. Just strip like Renuka Sahane from the stairs.
Okay, I think that's
Which
a
is
good
Yeah,
Big win.
fake a miscarriage. Fake a
Yeah,
miscarriage.
fake a miscarriage. Always easier than
My
taking a
God.
pregnancy.
Oh, this really is relationship. It's not that difficult, right? You'd say, oh, by the way, in the time that you abandoned me and left, I went to the gynac, I found out I'm not pregnant.
But they're going to be pissed off about cutting the trip short.
No,
And
then-
she feels like it's her fault that they're not in Mahabaleshwar right now.
Fucking Mahabaleshwar, dude.
Man.
You will get cheese whenever the
Guys,
The
please.
Mahabaleshwar strawberry idea is great, Ronak. Think about it. Like she's having
Yeah.
strawberries and she's like, look, I'm not pregnant. Maaf ko, more like maaf karo. Huh?
I'll abort you, Sahil.
I think I have a miscarriage now that I heard this.
Sahil, I have a question for you. I have a question. Do you make all like important announcements in your life with puns?
You want to know a fun fact? When I broke up with my first girlfriend, okay, this is very mean, but I broke up with a joke. That's how stupid I am. I walked up to
मुझे
her.
माफ कर दो.
No. I walked up to her and I was young. I was stupid in my defense. But I was like, hey, what do you say when you try to call someone but you can't hear them? And she like, I don't know, cut the call. I'm like, no, you say, hello? You're breaking up. And she looked at me and I'm like, see, you can't call them. So you say, na, hello, you're breaking up. I can't hear you. So I want to break up. And then she just
Wow,
looked at me
Sahil,
and
you're a
I
piece of
fucked it up.
shit.
I'm a dick.
Sahil, I
I'm
can
a
never
dick.
see you the same again.
It is one of my lifetime regrets. Okay, there are these regrets that build on, but
There's no way to
And
kick
I-
someone off a Zoomer.
Dude, you know,
Exactly,
dude, you know what I love? I love that Sahil continued making puns even after that.
My boyfriend and I are 23, already like them more. I have never been this compatible with anyone. You feel like this in the first few months. I've dated, but he has an incredibly low sex drive. I've tried many things being in long distance because of this lockdown, but he doesn't respond well to the sexting or dirty talk. That day I tried to make him imagine. I feel like this is what Dr. Mahindra Vatsa feels like. I
Yeah.
tried many things being. That day I tried to make him imagine a threesome scenario with one of our mutual friends, F, which is, female. I've never seen him this participative and excited. This immediately turned me off. Lol. When we fought, he said that I was the one who brought it up in the first place. What did I do? Like, it's not.
Are they sexting? Is that what? Are
They're
they, is the
sexting a threesome.
sexting?
Yeah, that's just, I just never want any form of sex to be on a WhatsApp group. Like that's too many texts in different colors.
Why?
Random emojis coming, group call happening. Hey, what's up? Are you done? I'm done.
हाँ, एक ये इमोजी आ रहा है, एक बैंगन आ रहा है दूसरी तरफ से, एक ऐसा वो 3 पानी आ रहा है ऐसा.
और एक वो सालसा वाला भेज रहा है. Just I'm done.
एक ऐसा वीडियो कैमरा ऐसा भेज रहा है.
Guys, I
Right,
think the
and-
problem here is that day I tried to make him imagine a threesome with one of our mutual friends. Yeah, just
Mutual
get a
friends are
stranger.
subject to market risk. Please read the WhatsApp chat before
Carefully
interfere.
before investing.
Mutual. Why would you? Hey, would you like?
Parag and Parik have great mutual friends.
No, but if you've been a long distance, sexting is what keeps you afloat. Otherwise, like what are you gonna do?
Now things have
Also-
gone next level. I
Yeah,
don't know if you guys know
that's
this,
true.
but there are webcams
What?
where you can put
That's
on a
true.
webcam and you can feel a penis going inside you and you can feel your penis going in. Like actual sex webcams exist.
We
Yep,
are, guys.
Yep. It is.
From this
Yeah.
podcast.
So I discovered fleshlights recently. Sahil, ever used a fleshlight?
Yeah. I mean, no. I thought you meant.
Oh my fucking god.
That was your dog.
I thought.
One sec. What is wrong with him using a fleshlight? Why is there judgment?
He was embarrassed, which is why it was funny.
He was
No,
embarrassed.
I was laughing because I thought he said, "Have you ever heard of a fleshlight? Not used." And I'm like, yeah, of course.
I bought one when I was in London because I was like, I just want to see what's
Well, I guess just show
Yeah.
it to us now. Now that the topic has come up,
Yeah,
show
yeah.
it to us.
somewhere in my bedroom. I'll have to.
We'll wait.
Hang on.
Dude,
Really?
this should be a vlog. This should be Tanmay's next vlog. He asks his driver to go get the flashlight.
He won't. I'll have to go check it out. Hang on. This will be interesting.
Oh, this is gonna be either.
Season 3, where I make all of y'all buy it.
Oh my god. Are we about to see what I think we're about to see?
This is a 50-pound fleshlight. All right. I have never ever opened it. It's literally still in the casing.
Okay.
Point being, it's super fucking weird. I didn't know how to use one, so I just googled how to use
Does it vibrate?
flashlight. I
Does
don't
it
know.
vibrate?
I don't know.
Dude, you know my biggest fear.
Am
My
I
biggest
supposed
fear
to
is
open
like
this?
I don't think so.
This is just a different tangent altogether. This show.
I don't
has
know. You
gone
guys
into-
said bring it, and I said fuck this. It took me
Yeah.
a while. I don't know. In
Okay,
some
looks
corner
like a
of the-
flask. It looks like a
Okay.
water flask.
Sunday,
It
read
looks
us
like
what
it's
is
called
written on the back.
it's called main squeeze. All right.
unboxing video by
Unboxing
Tanmay.
video.
Good, great idea. नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome to Technical Pussy. आज हम variable pressure ultra skin stroker is what it says, and there's a giant pussy engraved at the bottom.
Chocolate. What is
Just
this? Chocolate.
It says pussy so that no one really thinks it's a flask and drinks water from it.
Chocolate. Let me read out what the instruction says. All right. To clean and store main squeeze, gently pull from
Hey,
the
guys.
top to remove.
I'm writing
ultra
pussy on
skin-
this.
You know, I got it, and everyone was like, "What the fuck?" I'm like, you know what? When fucking girls get dildos, everyone's like, "Oh wow,
Yeah.
you go, girl." I'm like, why the
Yeah.
fuck can dudes get flashlight and everyone's
No,
like,
no,
"Oh,
no.
okay."
You go, Tanmay, you
Yeah.
go.
Anyway,
Tanmay.
I got it like 2-3 years ago.
How
when I
much was this for, if I can ask? How
It's
how
like 50
expensive
pounds.
is
50 pounds.
this?
You know, there is an industry for this where I'm not even kidding, but fuck, I know too much. But you can get every porn star, you can get a flashlight of their whatever
Oh, yeah, I know
shape.
that, yeah.
And as a male porn star, you can, if you want, there is an actual industry where you can get your penis based on your own
You wanna
penis.
3D print
that
your dick,
level-
buddy.
Exactly, literally that level shit.
Oh, that's killer. That makes sense though. Would you buy a Johnny Sins dick sex toy? I'm
I
asking
think I
Ronak.
would, but because it's funny. I think because it's. I would. Oh, I would buy a Johnny Sins dick sharpener. That's what I. My girlfriend of 9 years and our group of friends love to party. One of our friends was clearing her phone and found some videos that really rocked the boat in my relationship with my girlfriend.
But it's a bad thing. Sorry.
Yeah.
Floating your boat is a good thing.
Rock the boat. You rocked my world is a good thing.
Yeah.
It seems that in December at a party, we got so blackout drunk that I saw her making out with a stranger in the bar, and I just cheered her on.
Wow.
This is not a thing that either of us remembers. Until I didn't receive this video, I didn't know that I've been with a cheater for the past few months. I also don't understand why I was cheering her on. What do I do?
It's 100% cheating, and it's even more messed up because he's cheering her on, which means he's kind of into it. This is the couple that should be doing threesomes and not the other one.
Yeah.
I think he's doing it because deep inside he wants her to leave him. That's why he was like, yes, she's finally making out with someone else.
Yeah, maybe.
I think maybe he should make out with someone, get her to cheer, equal, done, move on.
Oh yeah, what do you think about that? Can you equalize cheating? Can you be like, well, now I'll sleep with your best
That's
friend,
never gonna
and then
happen.
it's balanced.
Yeah. Because now there are 4 people on group chat.
That's
Sorry, 4 to 6.
That's hilarious.
4 people with the dancing salsa emoji.
Yeah. That's funny. If cheating was not considered to be a social taboo, most people would cheat. This is why monogamy exists. Because without monogamy, the world would be chaotic. Anyway, I've gone into Sadhguru mode. I'm terribly sorry. But these are just facts.
I think the first thing we got to do to not make cheating a negative thing is to not keep such a negative word like cheating. I think we should give it like a positive word like borrowing.
Or alternative relationship.
I was just borrowing an orgasm from someone
Times
else.
please. I think that's what it should be. Like I'm on a date and I'm like, times please.
oh wow.
And then she can fight with you if you did not say times. Then she
that's
can
very
be like,
important.
Sahil, I want you to do the again just to know this is how you make out. What the fuck was that?
Sir, I want you to change your t-shirt into my face and do another.
See, I think this is cheating. This if I'm just like,
Yuck. Oh my god. Why is the fleshlight the least dirty part of this show?
What is wrong with this?
This is wrong. Is this Ronak from Right Now?
Yeah.
like
I can't believe you wore a green t-shirt for this.
just for this. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, if anybody has a question, please raise your hand. Mansanjam, where are you and who are you? How old are you? Where do you study?
Who are you?
So that we know.
Where are you and who are you और क्या उखाड़ा life में बता हमको.
Existential crime. Okay, sorry.
Are you a
come
student?
on.
Are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a student. My name is Mansanjam Singh. It's too long, so people call me Mandy.
Mandy.
I'm 21 years old, and I study in the University of Waterloo in Canada.
All right.
Oh my god.
I study in Canada, and I'm back home because of the pandemic.
First of all, you're a Sardar in Canada.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said.
All right.
He is home.
It's like you were home in Canada also.
He was there only.
I know.
Yeah.
Sorry.
All right.
Read.
Go on.
A really close friend of mine, who is also in my course and is also my friend with benefits, did not return because she's doing a co-op job over there.
Nice.
So this girl used to like me a lot in my first year, but I didn't pay any attention. I was very casual with her. Now we talk on Instagram every other day, but like there's no sexting or anything because she thinks it's pretty lame. So
I'm
now
not the
that
only
I'm so
one.
far from her, I've started getting feelings for her. Like I've started to care about her more. Wohi wala situation, if you love her, let her go wala.
Yeah.
But I don't know how she would respond to me. Now I approach her and be like, yo, I really like you a lot. I'm sorry for ignoring you in the first year. I was dumb. So I'm really confused. Ki ab karu ya approach ya na karu.
The pandemic is doing this to all
That
of
is
us.
true. I have reached out to one of my exes, and I do not regret it because I'm feeling lonely, and I've had a past with these people, so it feels like easier to text them and be like, "Hey, what's up? What's hanging?" How about
it's
we
like
help you
I
frame
have-
a text? Should we help you frame a text that's
Yeah,
polite
that's
and that's like?
Oh my God. So
That's
we open
great.
chat. What a practical
really-
solution.
yeah.
That's
That's really smart.
I think the text that you send her should be an F in chat.
Like days to Google it. Okay, so what do you want to say?
Give us a fake name.
Or just tell
Dear-
us the real one. Gurpreet.
No,
give
no,
us
no,
a
no,
fake
give
name.
fake.
Okay, I'm writing Dear X.
Kylie.
Kylie.
Hey,
Kylie.
Hi. Do you call her dear or do you
Hey,
say
Kylie.
hey? What kind of... Hey, Kylie. Okay, hey, Kylie. How are
I
you?
just
I'm your
can't get you
Diljit.
out of my head. Thank you. That's if her
Okay.
name is actually Kylie, you have to say that.
I'm going to mute you, Sahil. Hang on.
She has a Punjabi
No.
name, but she's a big fan of Kylie Jenner, so that's it.
Okay, hey, Kylie.
Hey Kylie,
how are you? I've been thinking, but here goes nothing. I think we have something more than just friends. Is that what you want to say?
Yeah, maybe.
let's-
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's
But
good,
I
that's
think
good.
For a while, but I don't know about you, and no, but
I really feel that we should try exploring something more than
nice word.
I should
Exploring.
explore something more than what we currently are, and the fact is I know I've been stupid in the past and I may have shrugged this off.
call
but
yourself stupid is very good.
yeah, insult
I've been-
yourself left, right,
I've
and
been-
center.
Yeah.
I've been really stupid.
And I've not been seeing what is in
okay,
front of
okay.
me. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
And I think just get straight to it from here. I think we should be in a relationship. I want to know what your thoughts are. It would be absolutely okay if you were to say no. I just want to know your thoughts.
Ronak, you sound like you're a marketing guru. What do you mean? I just want to know what the fuck your thoughts are, yaar. Go, please.
This is why I've been in a happy relationship because I talk in legal language. LLB,
Surbi,
advocate.
Surbi, I think we should just. I want it all, sort of like I don't want to just be like casual.
I want it all.
Yeah, whatever.
That's a good word.
you are my fire, my one decider.
Yes. Yes.
Tell me why.
And then like, nah.
बस गाना गिटार लेके बस गुलाबी आंखें गाना रह गया अब तो.
If she knows that we wrote this for you, what if she breaks up with you?
Listen, I
अबे
was
तब
fully.
क्या होगा?
This is going to be in
I
one
have been
episode.
so I have been single since the day I was born. I have not been in any serious
And I
relationship.
am. Oh my god! Don't tell her this. Time
don't-
flies by when I am every time. Time
No.
flies by.
I don't want the memories of us to be just fleeting.
I don't want the memories of us to be just fleeting.
I'm pregnant.
I am pregnant.
And the child is yours. And the child is yours.
ये दिल लगी भी तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे
Don't take
Be
advice
honest,
from
man.
YouTube videos. And I mean even mine.
Yeah.
Just subscribe to them and that's it.
And F in chat.
And
Let's-
F in chat. F in chat.